Good morning. Day 2 of the 10-day turnaround, You Incorporated. Today, you're going to question your BS, your belief systems. The patterns you ignore become the prisons you inhabit, that you live in. Notice your patterns, break free, lead yourself out. That's all you got to do. So, what you avoid hangs around, it stagnates, it infects, and it becomes the BS you identify as that's just me, or it's just how I am, or it's just what I do. This is BS. It's a belief system, and you call it me. A belief systems analysis will uncover the most prominent and dynamic unconscious behaviors preventing forward movement. Successful leaders identify and decode before they act. Your job today is to find one pattern you identified from yesterday and notice 3 ways which that single pattern manifests and repeats to control behavior in different situations and areas of your life. For example, if you wake up disgusted or angry and having to wake up, how is that anger and disgust being repeated throughout the day? Notice that repeat behavior or thought. Notice the situation it's happening in. Notice your behavior in it and what you feel, and trace it back to its origin. Now, what inner belief fueled this one pattern that you identified from yesterday? Where did it start? What prompted it? What fueled that thought? And what put that on repeat? Name the belief, and you're going to write a new and empowering alternative that supports your evolution. And this is how you're going to do it. And this is just an example, okay? So you can come up with your own, but this is just an example I'm going to give you for myself, from my own personal experience. So every single challenge is a timeline split. This is something that I found to be literally life-changing. If I broke a coffee mug in the past, I might get mad at myself for that. But now, or since I've known this, I realize that that is a timeline split. I can either evolve from that situation or I can repeat. Every single situation is always asking me, evolve or repeat, literally. So let's say you're going to work and there's a red light. You hit a red light. It's making you even later for work. That is a moment, evolve or repeat. The red light is slowing me down to consider, why did I get up late to begin with? What was I dreading? Why am I going to a job I hate? Why am I trying to please others instead of myself? My business, this business of me, is bleeding money. I'm running on empty. I have no funds to invest in me because I keep spending my money on people and things that have their own responsibilities. They have no interest in me at all, and that's not their responsibility. They have their own lives. I have my own life. I'm supposed to be paying attention to me. Who's responsible for me? Who's investing in me? Who's paying attention to me? I'm not. So why would anyone else? So you set the tone for how others will treat you, and you set the tone for how your day will go. My question to you is, who's minding your store? Yep, because you are everything you need. Live deliberately. Till tomorrow. Namaste.